Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Ford Focus radio code updated. Enter your VIN and radio serial into Ford's dealer portal or call a dealership to retrieve the code. I will explain how to find the serial, whether to call a dealer or use online services, and what proof you may need. Stay calm and follow the step-by-step checks so you can get music back in your car quickly and confidently. Locate the radio serial number by checking glove box paperwork, the unit chassis, or the head unit display where available. I will walk you through safe removal basics and show the diagnostics menu path on many Focus models to reveal the serial without disassembly. If you prefer not to handle hardware, note that a dealer can access the serial quickly and securely with your proof of ownership and VIN to retrieve the radio code. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers are great for keeping lunches tidy while you work on your car or grab a quick bite between steps. They seal tight, stack neatly, and save time when packing meals before dealership visits. If you liked this tip and the walkthrough so far, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Call or visit a Ford dealership and provide your VIN, radio serial, and ownership proof to receive the official radio code. I will compare dealer retrieval to vetted online services and explain expected fees and response times. Keep receipts and record communications in case of follow-up. This process usually restores the radio quickly and protects your vehicle from unauthorized code access or scams while ensuring you meet security requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.